Right guys, quick video. I'm in a Cupra Formentor from some whatever. I've had it for a day. Just needed it to go on the motorway quickly. Let me start it quickly. Right, I'm gonna start with the lack of buttons. I flipping hate that it doesn't have buttons for anything and everything is on the screen. So annoying. You can't, you have to get into things. The Apple Play, to connect it, is infuriating. It says you can't connect it if the car's in motion. When you're parked up in park, handbrake on, you can't connect it. The ignition has to be off. Whatever, I don't know. I'm not too sure. The screen's alright, digital dash, I don't mind it. Excuse the bunged up voice and all that, people. But yeah, screen's alright, but like I said again, lack of buttons. You got a few buttons down here. Yeah, I'm not too sure about it, but I will say I do like the interior. It's a bit contradicting what I've just said. I like the events, look like the Lamborghini ones, sort of. Like the seats, sort of sporty seats. The back's fine. Obviously my son's been in the back, my missus has been sitting in the back, so it's all right. But I will say, lack of buttons is terrible. Tell me what you think. I like the gear selector too. It's quite cool. It's like a Volvo type one. Oh gosh. See, it's all beeping at me. I like the colour too. Colour's fine. Yeah, tell me what you think, guys. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Yeah, I think I prefer my Insignia, but let me know.